Greetings, my name is Robin Starling y no Amore. I will organize a treat a break. The purpose of the trip is for my university college to get to can know the city of Rio de Janeiro. First of all, we are going to have a tale to plan everything that this long journey entail in the place that they are going to visit. My colleagues will stay in one of the most comfortable hotels in this great city. The process for organizing the trip will need the following: the cars of each one of my companions must be activated. The identification document must be beat up to date. The travel luggage cannot be missing. How will have to contain medicine, comfortable clothes, and food. The place to which we will travel will be completely investigated with a passive road to count the risk of this place and maintaining security.